Good day and welcome to Stock Electronics. We'll be showing you how all of the SONOFF Smart Home Automation products work. Please like and subscribe to our channel, for we will be posting more videos and tutorials. Today we will be showcasing the TX Ultimate Smart Touch Wall Switch. There are three variants of the switch: a 1-channel, a 2-channel, and a 3-channel. Within each package you will receive the switch itself, as well as an instructions manual with additional info on the product. There is also a pack of screws. When installing this product, keep in mind that you require a qualified electrician, which is why I have him here today to explain to you how to do the installation.
Hello guys, I will now be showing you how to install the following product, the Smart Switch 3-way. Please make sure during the installation that you wear safety gloves and that the power is completely turned off. Firstly, slightly loosen your first two screws labeled neutral and live in. Then take your the live cable, and insert it into the live labeled live in. Then tighten your screw until it is fastened completely and doesn't turn forward. Then do the same procedure for your neutral and place it into the neutral labeled hole. Please make sure that the cables are securely fastened by slightly tugging on them and making sure they don't pull out. For any additional devices you connect onto the smart switch, connect your neutral from your device onto your neutral. You can plug it into the same hole or onto an extra block. For your live of your devices, please connect it onto the holes labeled out, live out 1, 2, or 3. The numbers accord to the button at front. To make sure your device is connected correctly, afterwards, turn on the power. LEDs will be showing on the back side of the switch, and you would know your device is set up correctly.
I will now show you how to pair with your device. First, select Bluetooth pairing, then follow the on-screen instructions. Now that the device is connected, you can name your device. I'm going to leave mine as the default. The Smart Switch has a wide variety of different settings and customization options. I will now show you how to set up those options. I will now show you how to customize your switch. First, select the switch, then go to Settings and find the Customize option. Here you can customize how it reacts when you turn it on or off. Example, let's select light 1, then it will do that light animation. Or light 3, it will do that. You can also change the sound effects. Let's say sound effect 3. Or sound effect 5. You can also change the color which the lights are. Green. You can also adjust the brightness. Then save. Now each time you turn the switch on, these LEDs will indicate whether the switch is on or off. There is also a schedule for your switch. For instance, you can set it that it turns off at 6 in the morning and turns on at 5 at night. There's also a timer and a loop timer. From this screen you can also turn on or off each button individually. The Smart Switch also has a swipe feature, which you can activate by using scenes. I will now show you how to set up a scene. First tap on Scenes, then Build Now. The trigger will be our T5. Let's say the left swipe. And our output will be a light. It will reverse the light's current state. Now each time we swipe left on the device, the light will either turn on or off. You can also name the scene. You could now turn on and off the light from here or by swiping on the panel itself. The smart switch also has an ambient mode, which you can enable by tapping it with 2 fingers or via the app. These are some of the modes. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to our channel for we'll be posting more videos and tutorials.